Okay, so here's our Onfloor 16, which we use to prep decks and concrete. So here are the sanding blades. All right, Serge, can you show me how those rotate? No, just spin the like I was showing you before. Okay, so it spins that way, and they also spin individually. So it's doing that at the same time to give you a nice even surface. All right, let's fire it up. All right, so nice and quiet. So that's removing the loose paint, smoothing the wood, eliminating some of the cupping. This deck's in reasonably good condition, so we're just giving it kind of a once over. And you can see how much just one pass takes off that first layer of coating is going to provide us a nice surface.